Hey, how's it going? Got another poem to read, so I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Oh, I hear the sound of planes in the midst of the morning, after the rain. I can feel the cool breeze, and it all just puts my mind at ease. Oh, how I freeze at the thought of something new, and I try to figure out where can I go where the skies are more blue. And then that is when I think of the Lord. Oh, out of all of my brokenness, only you got me to where I am now, in peace and made whole. Oh, how my life was far away from heaven, but you still loved me through it all. And when I tried to hold myself up, I found myself in a constant fall. So I gave up and put it in your hands. Oh, Father, help me, because you have the power to advance me in your kingdom while I have freedom from the dark ones who comes to bring gloom on my morning sun. But they cannot dim the light as I found myself shining through the darkness that surrounded me. As forces did their best attack, I found my victory through prayer, and that is how I am fighting back. And victory is won, but sometimes not instantly. But the goodness and power of God is a continuous memory as I see the non-stop helping hand of God through the times I have had it hard, because life was like a loud noise until God quieted it with his words.